This week, the AFU made life a living hell for the Russians. Look how it happened. The occupiers are preparing to advance. They have no idea what failure awaits them. Ukrainian intelligence spots a large column of Russian vehicles. One precision drone strike destroys the first target. Panic ensues. A tank in an attempt to retreat steps on a mine. Suddenly, another APC gets destroyed. Another tin can tries to escape, but they forgot that you can't hide or run away from a Ukrainian drone. The turret is blown off by an explosion of such power. At the same time, the Russians were preparing an attack on Siversk. Ukrainian reconnaissance spotted a column of armored vehicles moving towards their positions. When the APCs got a little closer, the artillery started firing at them. No hits yet, and one MTLB breaks through to the Ukrainian trenches. AFU drones are getting up in the air. A hit to the tail of an APC. The second drone is approaching another target. Note the new level of defense, the timbers. This time, the Russian meat pot has been stopped. The final drone strike turns the APC into dust. The MTLB that broke through first landed the troop and was left unprotected. A Ukrainian soldier hits it with an RPG, followed by a kamikaze drone strike. Smoke appears. Another drone drops the first grenade from a high altitude. The Russians don't stop, and they send another APC to attack. This time they took a different route, but there's no way to avoid the Ukrainian drone. But they still managed to get to the trenches. There was an ambush waiting for them. The first drone drops a grenade right on target. At the same time, a kamikaze drone attacks. A few grenades and the APC burns with bright flames. Several more targets were detected by the Ukrainian ATGM operator. A precision hit right in the turret. Look what happened to them from another angle. Another APC tries to escape, but is stopped by a mine. And the final blow is made by a Ukrainian drone. The final target is moving without support. The drone is getting ready to strike. It lands on the Russian pot's tail. One precision strike is enough to stop the APC. The kamikaze drone kills the paralyzed target and engulfs it in bright flames. This tin can was hard to stop. It hits a mine, but still keeps moving. Ukrainian drones fly in to destroy the target. The first hit doesn't penetrate the armor. The second hit doesn't do much damage either. But the third drone hits the caterpillar. That stops the APC. After a while, several drones burn this garbage truck to the ground. This trawl tank wasn't damaged by the mine. But there's a Ukrainian drone nearby. It hits the fuel compartment and stops the target. A second drone delivers the final blow. The tank is engulfed in flames. The Ukrainian defenders are doing an excellent job, like if you agree. 2 Russian APCs and 1 MTLB are smoldering on the road. One drone strike destroys the MTLB. Fire instantly engulfs this meat can. The second drone goes right inside the APC. A third strike, and we see the result of the failed attack from a bird's eye view. Next, the drone damages the tank with an accurate strike right in the forehead. The second strike got near the cannon. The final blow manages to stop the tank. Another group of tanks was spotted in the field. Ukrainian drones are ready to attack. The first hit is right in the side. The second drone stops the target. Russian reinforcements appear on the horizon. The drone stops the T-72. But the second tank breaks through. Now it's his turn. The first hit is right in the muzzle. But the target keeps moving. The second hit is fatal. The tank is stopped. The third drone turns it to ashes. The attack failed. And this APC isn't known for its high intelligence. Look, Russian vehicles are already resting on this place. The same fate befalls this APC. A brilliant decision. A similar situation. We see a lot of burned equipment on the way to the Russian tank. A few moments later, it spectacularly turns into molecules. Take another look at this fire show. After that, another fat target is found. It's a well-hidden artillery installation. The drone hits it exactly. But here's the best part. The installation itself wasn't badly damaged, but the ammunition next to it is on fire. They're getting hotter and hotter, leading to an incredibly powerful explosion. Nearby ATGM operators almost single-handedly stopped the Russian attack. Very accurate first shot, and the target immediately ignites. The second shot hits the APC. It loses control and is engulfed in smoke. This soldier prepares to deliver the final blow with an RPG. A precision hit manages to burn the APC. The final target is a Russian tank. One shot from Stugna and the tank is destroyed. This tank is in a bad situation. More than 5 drones are flying towards it. After a couple of seconds, a few kamikaze drones do their job. There's a lot of explosives inside, which detonate one by one. An explosion of incredible force leaves behind nothing but ashes. A Russian APC comes face to face with a Ukrainian drone. It immediately loses control and stops. A few minutes later, a group of drones turn this tin can into ashes. Reconnaissance has spotted the redeployment of a Russian Tulpin mortar, easy target for Ukrainian drones. The first hit stops the vehicle and causes a fire. Another hit, and from high above, we see a huge mushroom from the explosion. Nearby, an Akatsiya SPH was spotted by Ukrainian intelligence. It couldn't hide from the drone. Just one hit to the ammunition, and we can observe a very powerful explosion. And here's what's left of another artillery system. Look how it happened. A few kamikaze drones cause a massive detonation. A very powerful and beautiful explosion. 30 kilometers from Donetsk, Ukrainian intelligence has detected several targets. The coordinates have been relayed to HIMARS. The first target is a Thor SAM. The Russians notice they're being spotted and fire on the drone. The shot misses. Now it's the American Beast's turn. Several shots successfully destroy the target. Another SAM. Now it's a Pantsir S1. The first shot seriously damages the machine, and the second missile burns it to the ground. A radar station was detected next. Several shots damaged the vehicle. Repairs will be very expensive for the Russians. Intelligence reports that this warehouse holds the invaders' vehicles. A shot from the HIMARS and several fat targets are destroyed. There's a target picture painted on the back of this tank. That's exactly where the Ukrainian drone hits it. The tank slowed down. The next drone hits it right in the turret. Now it's impossible to go any further. One more hit, and the tank starts to burn. This APC was shooting up Ukrainian positions until a kamikaze drone flew in. A precision hit puts it out of action. Another drone flew out to the advancing tank. A hit to the fuel compartment stops it. The next kamikaze drone delivers the fatal blow. Look at that again. Another mutant has fallen victim to the Ukrainian drones. Already after the first hit, fire appears. The flames gradually reach the ammunition, and 3, 2, 1. And that's it for now. Catch you in the next